Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi and this video is sponsored by Ashimary Hair Company. This is a 360 lace wig with invisible drawstrings for security. It comes with transparent ear tips, which means this wig can be installed without using any glue as shown on this video. So guys, I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Ashimary Hair Company. And look at the box. It's fancy, very fancy, very cute. I love it so much. Look at that. It is beautiful. The box is inside. And of course, they were also kind enough to send me all these goodies. Thank you so much, Ashimary Hair. I am obsessed with all these goodies. So now the star of the show, okay? Baby girl is looking scrumptious. Baby girl is, oh my goodness, she is so soft. This wig is so soft. You can see, look at the lace, guys. It is nice and soft. This wig is actually pre-everything because it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The lace was cut for you. It was also nicely styled. As y'all can see, guys, here in front, it is nicely hot combed. This is a 360 wig and this is how it is looking. So this wig has this adjustable band that you can actually adjust it, and of course it has drawstrings. Okay, this is how it looks here at the back. It has drawstrings over here. So guys, this simply means we are not going to be gluing down our wig this time. Look at that. It is nice and stretchy right here, as y'all can see. Okay, this is the back of the wig. Let's talk about the texture of the hair. It is nice and beautiful, as y'all can see. Look at that. It is bouncy. It is really soft. Okay, I'm obsessed with the highlight. I'm pretty sure they're going to complement my skin tone very well. So guys, the rest of the video is self-explanatory. I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. I'm not actually going to be doing much because this wig came exactly like this. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-everything, pre-styled as well, okay? Because as y'all can see, the curls are nicely defined as well. And yeah, the wig is nicely hot combed right here in front. And I'm not going to be using any glue because this wig has drawstrings right here at the back. And here on the sides, I'm actually going to use what we call ear tapes to secure this wig. So we are not going to be using any glue, okay? I'm so excited to be showing you guys how I'm going to be looking in about a second, okay?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Ashimary Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.